Yes, my people. So welcome back to the channel, man. This one is a very interesting one. This is going to happen next year, 2027. So you got the child maintenance changes that's happening next year. In 2027, the UK Child Maintenance Service, the CMS, is planning to phase out a fee-free direct pay option and move most cases to a single collect and pay service with a small fee for both paying and receiving parents. You already know what that is, isn't it? You know what that means, right? This is the UK Core 2027 Child Maintenance Reform with additional enforcement and fee adjustments rolled out alongside it. You know, if you guys don't know what they're talking about, I'm going to break it down to you guys exactly what's happening, right? So for those parents that used to just pay the other parent that's looking after the kid, the child maintenance money directly, whether they was giving them in cash or sending them to the bank account, wherever you was paying directly, that's going to stop next year, 2027. So CMS are going to enforce actually a system for you to actually start going through. So there's no second option. Back in the day, there was second option where they calculate how much a parent is supposed to pay the other parent, and then they can whether, collect the money from you or you directly give the money to the other parent, right? So now they're stopping that. When they say, they're going to be adding additional fees, the additional fees they're going to be adding is 2%. So for instance, let's say, a parent usually pays, 300 a month or a week or whatever, yeah, 300 a month to the other parent. Now they're going to add 2%. So that means that the parent that used to pay 300 is going to pay £306 on top, and the receiving parent, right? The receiving parent is going to receive 294 if it's 2%, yeah, 294 from that. So they're going to be collecting 10 quid from that payment. So imagine how many people that's going through that system. So this is the devilish system that's here now. You feel me? They figured out a way to orchestrate it to make money from, males being on this child support system. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about it. The pros is when you're dealing with an hyena, she can't even play no games because when she puts you on child support, you're in the system straight away. So there's not her taking money from you and threatening you to put you on child support and go through the system. You're going to be in the system straight away, right? And that means you're going to be dealing with that hellfire from the jump, not you, prolonging being in hellfire in a relationship. You just end there straight away from the jump, right? That's the pros. The cons: normal manipulation tactics from all of these hyenas that use kids as a tool to manipulate the fathers, right? So they have to make up their mind straight away whether they want to be with the person they have a kid with or they want to go through the system. The system, like I said, is really designed to actually just suppress majority of these females that's actually using the system to put their baby father on child support. Because now, you see, the child support thing, it's not a game no more. It's not a kind of weapon that you can use to weaponize to scare a man and he gets scared and say, I don't want to go in the system. Now you're going in the system. You know what I'm saying to you? You're going in the system. So fellas, look, I made a video not too long ago talking about you. Just be careful who you have a kid with, right? It's today's day and age. It's not really worth it having kids with some of these females that really don't have any father figures in the household. The female doesn't have a father figure in the household and haven't actually come from a functioning, healthy family household, right? And you decided to, make a baby with them and they come from a broken home already, you are going in the system. You see, they finding a way to make money. Remember, we've came out of Brexit, so these lot can do this. This law is starting next year. You know what I'm saying to you? 2027 next year is not far away. We're half of the year already, so this is going to be happening real soon. Myself personally, I'm already in the system. I'm already paying weekly child support, so I didn't even want to do those direct payment. I was like, yo, put me in the system and see you later. Out of sight, out of mind. I got it on direct debit, like, see you later, bless. You get what I'm saying? That's the way I be moving, But certain guys out here that's kind of scared that there's probably working for a job or a corporation where, they don't want those big chunk coming out of their pay slip, and they really want to negotiate with the women and say, yo, listen, I can't give you this much now, but I can give you a bill 50, and then for my next pay, I'm going to add it on top because I got to pay this. Now it's just £300 coming out of your account, 350 coming out of your account. You know what I mean? This is what it is right now. The good thing is to the fathers out there that actually take their life very seriously, but they got themselves in a situation with a baby mom where they're paying child support. Is, you know, when your kid grow up, your kid can't turn around and say he wasn't there for him. You paying your child support. You know what I'm saying to you? It's not like you're giving the parent money in hand and she turn around and say you gave them nothing, because there's no paper trail. You know, but I feel like the government is very smart, you know, because they're governing the mind, they're governing the mental. That's what I call the government, governing the mental. And, you know, I knew this was going to happen. I knew they was going to figure out a way where they can come into this, where they can kind of, you know, infiltrate into the system and figure out how they're going to make some money from it. Because, I mean, like, there's big bucks, fam. If I was them, I'd have probably done that too as well. What? You know? At the end of the day, because when you think about it, bro, how many people that will be in the system is going to be phenomenal. You know how much bread they're going to make? You know, even though you're looking at the £10 as a little fee and whatnot, let's do the maths. Let's say we have like 1 million people paying them £10 fee of a transaction, right? That's like 10 million they're making, like that, of child support. That's crazy. Man, isn't it? Crazy business, isn't it? And this is where we're headed now, guys, you know? You know what I'm saying to you? And this is to let you know that the system don't really give a flying toss about you. So when all these wicked individual females out here use it as a tool to try to manipulate a man and say, yo, I'm going to put you on child support, like, the system don't even care about you. They're taking 2% off your money. So they wasn't in the bedroom when you two was making love and having this baby, or wherever how you got the baby. They wasn't there. It was you and that person having the baby together. And they come in and saying, yep, we're going to take some money from you guys. Come on, man. You know? Well, obviously, people never learn. People don't learn. People feel like, oh, yeah, the system is against men. It's against the women as well. Because there's the guys out here that will just pay for the child support and not see the kid. That's facts. There's guys out here, man, will say, okay, cool, say less, you put me on child support. I pay my child support. I ain't got to see the kid. I ain't got to participate with nothing. Because majority of the time, when they're not on child support and they're giving the money to the mothers, or let's say the woman's giving the money to the fathers, it's not just women pay child support as well, I know, but there's a higher percentage of men that's doing it. They'll feel more obligated to be in the kid's life because they'll be like, all right, cool, like, I'm going to give you some of this money. You bring the kid to me. That's a transactional way of being a co-parent, where you're not just taking the money out of my account. I'm actually willingly giving you the money. Like, this is what I can give you this week, and next week I'm gonna top it up, and next week, you know what I mean? So they're co-parenting. When the father is on that child support straight away, where he has to pay the money straight away, and if he doesn't, there's back payment, there's fees added onto that back payment and whatnot. Instantly, the urge to being a father kind of evaporates because there's no more control on the man's side. His control has been taken away from him. You know what I mean? His leadership to controlling in his own life has been taken away from him because of what system has been put in place. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, this is where we're at right now. Look, listen, I don't really care. Right? If you ask me, I don't even care. I think actually it's actually better. Right? I think it's better because it allows you to know what court you're playing at as a man, especially if you're paying this child support. It allows you to know early without wasting time to know, okay, cool, this is where I'm at right now. I'm going to be paying child support to all the way to when the kids turn to 18, right? And then I'm free. So you know where you're standing. So you make sure you get your life together, get your act together, make sure you're about that money. You know what I'm saying? So you can afford to pay this fee, because this is an endless fee all the way to the kid turns to 18. And you know exactly what ball you're playing. So there's no back and forward with the person that put you on child support. Now, for those that actually are, you know, doing the co-parenting, the system doesn't know that you lot are co-parenting until one of you lot go out your way and put yourself on child support. Once you put yourself on child support once, that's it, you're in the system. That's it, done. There's no, can I take him off the child support now? Like, they're like, nah, it's not happening. And you know, you know what's so crazy about it as well? I was reading in the article, and one of the reasons why they say they're actually doing the system is so that the kid gets the full money, and you know there's no backdated, and everything is organized and everything is structured well. And I'm like, bollocks, man.
That's jazz.
You guys will say that. You guys are just trying to make money. You guys are just trying to make money. You guys see a loop, and you're trying to make money, and it's not about the kid. They don't care about the kid. They say they care about the kid, but they don't really give a toss about the kid. Even with the baby ones that's putting the father in child support, they don't really care. It's not even the baby one putting the father on child support. It's really not about the money all the time.
That's facts.
It's more about control. And now when you strip that control away from the baby mom, it's like they are in the loop just like the fathers are in the loop. You get what I'm saying? No one has the control. The only person that has the control is the government and CMS. The mind game is done. Once you put him on child support, you're basically saying, yeah, man, I'm not in the game no more. The game's over, fam. It's finished. Because you can't take them off child support and put them back on child support, and it's done. $2027, guys, buckle up. It's going to be a rough year. I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys stay blessed. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.